Hello, everybody. So this is a step-by-step walkthrough for how to make an income online. My name is Kezia, and I'm a physiotherapist by profession, a mom of three amazing kids. But I had to took a break from my practice. I had to quit my job for some time since I was a new mother. So I just decided to be a stay-at-home mom and like spend some time with my kids because I never wanted to leave them. So that was actually the turning point. That was the time in my life where I actually started looking out for ways how I can make some income online so that I can be a financial support to my husband and give my kids the life that they deserve, right? So today I'm going to introduce you to a blueprint, as you can see the title of this video, where you will learn a skill, right? The skill is called digital marketing. It will help you to learn a skill plus earn at the same time, right? So many of you guys have been curious about how we can start an online business, how we can launch an online business being a stay-at-home mom, or let's suppose if even if you're a father or a stay-at-home dad, or if you're a student, like, or anybody who has some extra time, who want to utilize that time to be productive and make some money, working online. So this video is for you. So if you want to watch all the details and see, get all the information as much as possible, make sure that you stick with the video till the end, right? So how you can launch your own online business without even creating the product yourself. See, there are different companies and entrepreneurs out there who are actually willing to pay you a percentage commission, right? If you promote any affiliate product, or give you 100% commission as well if you are promoting some MRR products. These products are called master resale products because they give you the right to resell those products as your own. So I'm really excited to share about this simple blueprint that I actually came across my journey. It helped me to learn the digital marketing skill. It just provides you coaching, instructions, everything, the course material, everything. Plus, it just launches your business, just like in a day. You would need to do some tweaks, some setups inside your funnel, the product that you get, everything. And everything is like kind of, done for you. You just need to automate it. You just need to set it up one time, and that's all. So I'm going to take you to my screen right now to share details about this program that I was actually talking about. So I have just logged in into my product, right? The program is called Legacy Builder. So I'm sure many of you have heard about this because it's really high in demand right now. We are 42 plus community members inside the school app. So you can see this on my screen that I have actually taken you to the dashboard of the program that I'm promoting. And that's how you can make money by selling digital products, right? So many people have this question that what exactly is a digital product? So I have taken you inside my digital product, right? Here you can see when I click on view all my products. So I have 4 different digital products that I'm promoting, right? So the topmost and the most selling and high in demand Legacy Builders program. This is for the cost of $900. Another is like Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. This is for $300. And Digital Mastery is for $600. And the Launchpad is for $100, right? So what I do, guys, like I have these 4 different products, right? I have the master resale rights to sell it as my own, right? I have a funnel, built-in funnel that I got within this program. Now, whenever, I am promoting it and someone purchase, right? I get paid 100% commission, even though I haven't created this product at my own, right? I did nothing, right? But this product was created by the owner, right, of this program. But what I did, I actually purchased this program, right, to get the master resale rights. So I can learn how to do digital marketing from this course, right, that you can see here. Plus, whenever I'm selling it, I make 100% commissions, right? So let me just walk you through inside. How does this look from inside? So as you can see, this page where it's written how to get started. So people who might think that this might not be suitable for the beginners or newbies, so just let me make you this clear that this is for beginners, even who have no knowledge, zero knowledge of digital marketing or selling anything online or doing any online business. So it teaches you from scratch. So you don't have to worry about that, right? So you can see here everything is like given like with so details, like literally it just teaches you also how to log in into your Kajabi portal that you can see here to get the access of the program, everything, right? How to find your products and how to launch your online business. And you can say all the steps like we need to do for setting up our funnel, for setting up our email address so that we can start sending the emails and do the email marketing. Here you can see it teaches us how to import the sales funnel that we will be promoting and, like do some tweaks and simply promote it. So this is just like if I scroll down, like keep on scrolling down, you can see like a tons of topics and modules, lessons. What I did, I just go through all these lessons, right? And I learned exactly how to spend 2 to 3 hours on social media platforms and make from $100 up to $900 on every single sale. So that was something crazy, right? I was used to up getting a percentage commission when I was promoting affiliate products, but in digital marketing, it just helped me to make that 100% profit without me needing to pay any percentage commission to anybody out there, right? So it teaches you how you can set up different social media platforms so you can start your business online, right? Along with that, the best part and the exceptional thing that I have seen in this program that I have not seen in any other program or course, you can say, is like they provide you live coaching and mentorship support. So that is something crazy. You can see on my screen, right? Even right now, it says like Thursday tech calls is happening is in 15 hours, right? So along with the course and the product, right? The program that you get with Legacy Builder, you also get a support community, right? Inside your school app. So even if you like check out and just like see DGC, type DGC in school app, and you'll see, right, that we are ranking on the #1, right? So this is our community, and you can see that, like we have general discussions over here. People are posting even wins. You can see, like if I open the win, like literally we have amazing wins every single day. I personally myself, I just made my first $3,000. Sorry, not first 3,000, but like the first $3,000 from this program in just 2 weeks of joining that. So here you can see like Travis posted 1 hour ago that he made $1,800 in 2 days. Some people are posting the wins about their followers, how much followers they're getting each day. And Mel says she made 1,600 a day. Kevin says 1,800 while eating dinner. So that is something crazy, right? So you can see like, everybody shares their wins and any questions they have, you have an amazing support and community inside her. So along with that, the best thing, you can see here, I just took you to my calendar, right? We have, like 4 to 5 calls every single week, right? Coaching calls that you get for free. The support and the coaching is free at whatever level you are joining. Either you're at $100 Launchpad or daily pay blueprint at the 300, 900 one, whatever, right? So you can see like literally we have mentoring calls, we have webinars, we have Q&A sessions, like we have challenge going on, lots of stuff. And even if I talk about the current challenge that is going on right now, if we go to the classroom, you can see here, guys, that this is the current challenge that I'm also participating. We are already on the day 7. So we get the instructions and trainings and the tasks to do for each day on every single day. All we need to do is simply log in into the system, right? And just see what Michelle is teaching us today and learn the strategies, implement into the business, and, just start getting the results. So this is really amazing, guys. If you are still looking to start this and you haven't joined this yet, so you're missing out really something big because we are already on day 9, and we have covered a lot. And she has taught from basics. So if you want to learn the basics of this business as well, so this is the right time to actually participate in the challenge. So you can be the next one to make $20,000 in the next 90 days, right? So let me now share another thing, right? So this program actually teaches you, how to do digital marketing and, some marketing methods that I want to share with you so that, before joining this program, you are sure and you have this, like you have this knowledge, you're aware of what's going to happen inside and if this is for you or not. I just want to be transparent and clear with you guys, right? So first method that she teaches us, as I told you, is like how to use your social media platforms to promote your products, whether it's your own product or either you want to promote Legacy Builder, right? And also it teaches us how to monetize our social media platforms, right? Your YouTube, your TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want to use. So you have multiple streams of income. Along with that, what is another method is like, copy pasting free ads on some free websites. So as you can see here, these are the free websites that I'm just looking for, right? And I have just learned, right, how I can spend, like at least 30 minutes a day, not more. Just set a timer, 30 minutes a day, and post free ads. You just need to simply copy paste. You don't have to create the ads every single day. She teaches us exactly the framework, how our ads needs to be like, right? And simply we have to post these ads on the places we want. Like if you want your post to come to be seen in the US, you can choose the place, the city, the state, the country, everything. If you want it to be posted in UK, Australia, Pakistan, India, whatever country you want to do it, right? Simply, you can use these free websites and post your ads and get that traffic, right? So that number one, you can sell your products that you have. Number two, you can monetize your social media platform, especially YouTube, by, creating some videos and posting on multiple platforms. So it will help you to grow your accounts as well at the same time. So people who are asking that, I'm from third world country, let's suppose India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Africa, just like me, right? So how can I target tier 1, 2 countries? Because the cost of the product is in dollars. So many times people are not buying it, like expensive products because of the currency change from my country. So how they can do it and get the traffic from tier 1 and 2 country. So this is one of the way that this program is actually teaching you. You don't have to pay for the ads. You don't have to run the ads to make this happen, guys. This is real, right? So along with that, the second method is actually the automations, right? So if you can see here, yes, so this is actually my automation, right? So once you sign up for the program, right, you get a built-in funnel. Let me share this, right? This is your funnel and it has a great conversion rate, guys. Like, literally 1 is buying out of 20 whenever 20 people visits your website. So this is the website that you get. You will just need to make some tweaks, sharing your video, your story, your picture, and then you're done, right? So this is the funnel that you get inside the program. And all you need to do is like run automations on this, right? So you can see here, whenever someone puts their email address right onto my website, I start sending them the emails to automations. And I don't even have to send the emails every single day. I just have to make a sequence for the 13 days. As you can see here, I have already done that for the 13 days. So the work of 13 days, I just completed it like, almost in an hour, and that's all. I just made some tweaks, some changes, some alter, my name and website links inside the emails. And these emails are gonna run by automation itself and send it to all of my leads in the system.io. So this is something crazy, guys. You don't have to be online or alert or working whole day, because if you have a system on autopilot and you have automations, things gonna work at your back end even when you're not working, right? And that's how you can make money while you're sleeping, because the system is continuously working. Like you're creating posts, you're creating ads, 3 pieces of content, going live, the emails, posting free ads. So like a lot of stuff you're doing, but make sure that we are mastering the skill to do all of that stuff, in just 2 to 3 hours, and that's where our goal is actually to provide you the freedom, a time freedom. So like along with running a successful online business, you can spend time in doing things that you love. You can spend time more with your family. You can go out, and do the things that you love, since you're making money, with your money making machine at the back end already. Right. So, as I told you that this program gives us a funnel as well. So the funnel and all the system automations, they are being done on the system.io. You just need to create an account over there. So you can see, like, the new leads you're getting here, it will be shown over here. And like the email list, you can grow like this, right? So everything is set up there. So all you need to do is just like, see, as I told you, like if I click on the emails here, these are my campaigns that I have already set up for the automation, so that I don't have to work every single day for 13 days. My system is gonna work at the back end for me. So guys, if this is something that you have been looking for, if you're looking for a support, if you're looking for like step-by-step instructions how to launch your online business. So guys, this was all about this blueprint that can help you to make from $100 up to $900 on every single sale. So if this is something that you were looking for, if you wanted to have a business online but have no clue what to sell, how to do it, so this is a perfect package for you, where you're getting a product, you will be getting a program to learn from, you will be getting a live coaching, mentorship, and support to get a support. And if you have any challenges, you can ask any questions you might have. You have someone to take you from scratch to the advanced level, right? So if you're looking for this kind of support and you want to participate in the 90 days holiday profit push that we are running right now to make $20,000 in 90 days, then feel free to check out the website and just comment under this video ready, and I'm going to share details all with you. Or just make sure to check out the website so that you can learn more about this product, and feel free to connect with me over my Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want to meet, and ask any questions that you might have. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.